Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Space. In this latest video, I teach you how to Shopify, enhance Shopify store and what is Shopify, how can get benefit from Shopify. But before start our topic, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon buttons. Due to this, you will be able to see the latest video on time and get benefit from it. So now let's start our topic. First of all, open the Google Chrome and search the how to enhance Shopify store. You will see the different result related to these questions. You can check one by one. Here is the 19 tips for how to increase sales in your Shopify stores. 1. Increase email signups. Create emails marketing campaign. Add SMS marketings. Invest in social media marketings. Use SEO to drive traffic. Leverage paid ads for targeted traffic. Build dedicated landing page. Offers free shipping. How can Shopify be improved? 10 ways to improve the online Shopify experience for customers and increase Shopify sales. Remove browsers inject ads, improve your search capabilities, enables voice search, visual search, interactive product page, product recommendations, set up live chat to clear queries quickly, make checkouts seamless. How do I get more customers to my Shopify store? Navigate this guide, run paid social media and ad campaign. Facebook ads reach new audience with influencers marketing. Send free samples to Instagram influencers. Attract customers with content marketing. Write blogs to provide the information or solve the problems. Use SEO to increase your store's discoverability. How do I make my Shopify stand out? 5 steps to make your e-commerce shop stand out. Offer cutting edge products. Do your search and sell something better. Create a unique brand. And so all these questions related to our topic. Our topic is how to enhance Shopify stores. You can read one by one and get benefit from it. Now our topic is end. See you in the next video.